So this is the new Tesla Model X Plaid as modified by RPM Tesla. They are a local car shop that sells, basically parts for your Tesla. So you can see a whole bunch of parts here. Here's the carbon along with the new Tesla logo. And the owner, which is the owner of RPM Tesla, he wrapped the car in 3M paint protection film, but not the gloss one. He used the matte one, so it eliminates the shine. It makes it look like a matte color, so there's no shine on it, but it also protects the paint. He repainted the wheels in a nice black and white pattern. That's been carbon mirror caps. And the biggest mod here is the removal of the yoke steering wheel. So he switched it out to a regular steering wheel with carbon top and bottom, very nice. And sheepskin, ooh, very sheepskin, like that. Now the new Model X comes in only a 6-passenger configuration, so you can't get it in any other configuration. Actually, I like the 6-passenger configuration because you can just walk right between here to the back seat. So here we have the rear entertainment screen, another mod, carbon fiber seat backing, very nice. Change the Model X there in white, as well as here. Carbon spoiler, RPM Tesla. Blocking out this piece here, illegal smoke rear tail lights. Yeah, so all of these modifications are available at RPM Tesla's website. You can order it online, or you go to his shop and he'll install it as well. Mods like that. Furry. Feels like my cat. And here we have a Tesla invasion of self-OC cars and coffee. Look at all that people, and look at all that Tesla. It's just a sea of Tesla. Here we have a Plaid. And you know what's that the backup sound he's playing? Ice cream truck. Model Y, Model X, Model 3, modified Tesla, Tesla's on airbag, mountain pass performance Model Y. This one's ready for the track. And check out this Model S. What in the world? Ooh, the sound system. Nice. So let's check out the back here and see what we got here. Whoa, there we go.
Yeah, that's a lot of power.
Two 12-inch subs there in the well.
Yeah.
I see big caps.
I got more power in my dashboard than most people have in their
And all audio amplifiers. Nice.
Right on, man. You have a good day. It's cool too.
Yeah. This is one good sounding Tesla. So there's a layout. If you understand it, you'll know what it's made out of. And Tesla Ghetto Blaster, nice. Oh, check out this one. Oh, multicolor wrap. And this one has lower and has a new front clip. I guess he's making fun of the ICE engine. Cool. It's cool to see so many Teslas like had cars and coffee. Oh, check it out. It's a cyber quad. Hey. This is Tesla's version of cars and coffee. Check that out. Model Y performance. Cool. And ending of a matte green Model Y. And there we have Simon.
Hello, John. How are you,
I see
mate?
the Teslas invaded on you.
We did. We got the Tesla Club here to show that we welcome everybody to South OC Cars and Coffee.
Of course, you put them in the back.
Yeah, that's where they wanted to be together, where they get the amount of space and they can throw their cables over to the Tesla supercharging station. See? Even the Lamborghini.
Yeah, even a Lamborghini likes it. That's right.
The only thing I'll say is they were a little bit loud when they came in, John. That's the only thing. I had to talk to them about their... That's not going to drive me crazy.
Nope.
Good to see you, mate.
That's like... So, obviously you got some kind of proximity sensor on there. Get too close and it starts
I think
beeping.
you said the word Tesla, actually.
Oh, we said the word Tesla. Because they go, damn it, Teslas are faster than me.
Whoa, that's a big call.